Hi everyone! In the last session, we spoke about the seed, its functions, and its parts. Today, let us deal with another very interesting topic, that is, soil. Let's dig deep and find out what the soil is. We have seen this word quite often, right? Let's dig deeper into it to see some more. There are three main types of soil. Here they are in order of fertility. First, we have loamy soil. Loamy soil is the most fertile soil and is hence used in the most successful farming industries. Clay soil is the second most fertile soil and has an adequate amount of fertility. Lastly, we have sandy soil, which is basically nothing but plain sand without a touch of fertility around it. Let us have an even closer look at these three types. Sandy soil. Sandy soil has larger particles than other types of soil. It cannot hold a lot of water, or in other words, has less water retention property. Soil has much smaller particles than other types of soils. It can hold a lot of water, that is, it has the most water retention property. Lastly, we have loamy soil. Loamy soil has a mixture of different sized particles. It can also hold a lot of water, but not as much as clay soil can, or in other words, has medium water retention property. It is the most fertile and best kind of soil. At this moment, a lot of us might be having a certain question, which is, why is clay soil classified as less fertile than loamy soil if it has higher water retention property? Well, the answer is actually quite simple. If a plant is grown in loamy soil and excess water is somehow poured onto it, suppose by rainfall, then the excess will drip out, leaving the plant unharmed. But clay soil will retain the water, putting the plant at risk of rotting. Now, let us move on to our next topic, that is, the layers of soil. There are 5 distinctive layers of soil. They are the O horizon, A horizon, B horizon, C horizon, and lastly the D horizon. Let us discuss the details of each of these. Let us begin from the starting. O horizon or humus. This layer is dark in color and consists of decomposed leaves, organic matter, and humus. They both help to make the soil fertile. It is considered that the more of these natural fertilizers are present, the better the plants can grow. Topsoil. This is a soft porous layer. It is rich in humus and nutrients. It is a shelter for living organisms like worms and rodents. It is a very important layer and is in fact the most productive of them all. Did you know that just around an inch of topsoil takes about 500 years to form? Horizon, subsoil. This is a hard and compact layer. Roots of bigger plants extend till this layer. This layer consists of many minerals. Earthworms are especially important because they dig through the soil and give the roots of plants places to grow and make spaces for water and air to get into the soil. Sea horizon, weathered rock. This layer consists of slightly weathered parent rocks. They have creeks and crevices. The sea horizon often is composed of unconsolidated parent material from which the A and B horizons have formed. B horizon, bedrock. Bedrock is the last layer of soil. This layer is very hard. It consists of unweathered parent rocks which give rise to the rocks of the sea horizon. As it is at the bottom, it is the base of the layer of soil. This is a fun puzzle for you to solve. Let's have a look at all the layers at a glance. Can you match the horizons or layers of soil with their respective characteristics or properties? Well, let's start with the O horizon. Which of the following properties do you think fits it best? That's right. The answer is the O horizon is the layer of plant residues and humus. The A horizon. That's correct. The A horizon is the layer of shelter of worms. Next, let us move on to the B horizon. Correct. The B horizon is also called as subsoil. Then the C horizon. That's correct. The sea horizon is a layer of large rocks with cracks. Finally, the D horizon. That's correct. The D horizon is the layer of large unbroken rocks. Now, let us move on to the next topic. Profile. The vertical section through which different layers of soil are visible is called as a soil profile. Here is an example of the soil profile. As you can see, on your left side there are various properties or alternative names for the soil. On the right side, the horizons are denoted as zones and are written in their order. Next, we have a quiz. But before that, let us go through an important question which a lot of us might be having at this point. What is humus? Well, the dead and decaying remains of plants and animals are called as humus. Humus has important nutritional values for the plants. Humus is found on the zero horizon or the O horizon, that is the top layer of soil. Time. Fill in the blanks. Let's see how much you have learned from this video. The D horizon is also called as the dash. Roots of bigger plants extend till the dash horizon. This horizon is also called as the dash. The most ideal type of soil is dash. Great! Now it's time to have a look at the answers. D horizon is also called as the bedrock. Roots of bigger plants extend till the B horizon. This horizon is also called as the subsoil. The most ideal type of soil is loamy soil. I hope you enjoyed this session very much and look forward to seeing you again in the next session. That's all for now. Bye.